Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. 10 more words you might pronounce incorrectly. जी हाँ, अब तक हम 50 words की pronunciation सीख चुके हैं. This was the first group of words. This was the second group of words. This was the third group of words. This was the fourth group of words. And this was the fifth group of words. Revise all these words: carrot, parrot, potato, pattern, palm, pilgrim, phonetics, pleasant, parcel, adjective. Let's get started our lesson. The number one, missile. Say this word, missile. Don't say missile. Second S is not pronounced. Missile. Number two, yogurt. Yogurt. Yes, this R is not pronounced. Yogurt. Yogurt. Say this word, yogurt. Number three, wool. Don't say wool. It's wrong. Wool. Wool. Number four, vowel. Say this word, vowel. Don't say vowel. It's wrong. People often say this word vowel, vowel. It's wrong. Vowel. Number five, preposition. Say this word, preposition. Don't say preposition. It's wrong. Preposition. Say this word, preposition. Number six, honor. Yes, H is silent and R is also silent. Honor. Don't say honor. It's wrong. Honor. Number seven, vase. This S gives the sound of Z, vase, and this A gives the long sound, vase. Say this word, vase. Number eight, ache. Ache. See, it gives the sound of K, ache. Don't say H, it's wrong. Ache. And this E is also silent. Number nine. It's very important. Vegetable. Yes, it's not vegetable. You don't pronounce vegetable. You can't pronounce. Okay? Vegetable. This E is silent. Vegetable. And this is not table. Table. Vegetable. To practice, vegetable. Vegetable. The last, number 10, antonym. Yes, antonym. Don't say antonym. It's wrong. Antonym. This Y gives the short sound E. Antonym. Hopefully you have learned all these words. Thanks for watching this video. Next video में इंशाल्लाह 10 more words की pronunciation सीखेंगे. Subscribe the channel, The Learners Club. Assalamu alaikum.